Hello everybody. So today we are going to learn how to use these wrist wraps. Actually these are not wrist wraps, these are hand wraps. Hand wraps are generally used to, like, if you are having any injury in your hand, or suppose there is any fracture or something is there, or if you are going for the punching or boxing purpose, these hand wraps are very useful. So how we are going to wrap our hands with that, let me demonstrate you today. So this is the part which is going to be hang in our thumb. So we are put it in the thumb, and from there itself we just use it and curl it in our hand like this. So after two rounds we just go to our palm region, okay, and just like this we'll go for the two wraps. Then the second one we will take it back again down, okay, and after tightening it from the little finger we just take it inside and from the inside, and we will take it back. Now again we will put it in our wrist region, and then from the in between the index finger and middle finger we will take this, and again we will take it back. Now up to this point it is okay. Now what I'll do, I'll again take it in my wrist, one half round, and then between the middle finger and this finger I'll take it, okay. And if you want you can put it from the thumb like round region here, okay, and then you will uncover it. Now sometimes what happen, if this particular part is coming inside, you will not be able to wrap it. So you just have to here itself when you take it from the middle finger and this one, you can just twist it, okay, and automatically what will happen, it will be twisted. So the next time when you cup here, this rough part will come on the upper side. Now I will just roll it and put it this particular part over that. Now the whole wrist, my whole palm is wrapped, okay, my whole hand is wrapped in that. And if I'm feeling any swelling or something is there, okay, apart from that any fracture, little fracture or something is there, that thing is very useful. Even if you're going for boxing or punching the bag, that thing is also very useful, okay. So this thing can be used like that in there. So this is for my right hand. In the same manner I have to do for my left hand also, okay. So if you follow somewhat order, so this particular left hand is in like a kind of a job for you. So you just try with the left hand, okay, after doing it with the right hand, and you will understand it. One main thing is that particular portion in good hand wraps, that this particular portion have to be empty, okay. So when you particularly like make the wrist with that, so that particular portion will be okay, and you will get the grip for your nails also in that particular part. So this is the reason why this portion is left empty, and here you have to give some like kind of a grip or somewhat. So if when you make the wrist, it will be easy for you.